In this video I will be creating a simple Tic Tac Toe game in Angular. I will be using Angular CLI to create a template for my project. Also, I will be using Angular material for creating UI component for this game, and I won't be using any smart algorithm for determining moves. So with that, let's get started. I already created a run Angular CLI command for creating new app. Also, I ran ngserve to start this app. I also installed Angular material, so you can just go to material Angular website and follow installation guide here. Just simple ng add Angular material command. So I will be using grid list for that. I need to import it into my modules. And add it to imports. Save that. I'll go to HTML and to remove everything from here. We'll be replacing it. So give title and go to examples here and view source and grab HTML. I will use it as a starting point and will add modifications. In particular, I need 3 columns and make it squares, and save that. Go to app component, yes. We already added title, so we don't need this. And grab this interface and these tiles. Also, I will modify this. First of all, I don't need text, and then I need everything to be one column, 1 row, and I would need 9 of those. So just change a bit color since I have more. Just some random colors and see if it looks good. Green was. Let's do yellow maybe. see if this will work. Let's go back to browser and see. Oops, some errors. Yeah, I remember seeing this before. I think we need to which one will work. Oops. Actually, npm. I think I need just uninstall and install it again. Let's see if that will fix it. Yes, it did. So we need to change style a bit and make it smaller. Let's check colors. Colors look good. I think it will work. So we'll work on the style a bit later. And now just we'll work on app component. So we will need add some variables here. So we'll need to know if it's human turn to make a move. Let's set it to true because human will start and human will be playing with X. Then we will need to know who is the winner. Actually, we'll be checking this human winner. Right now we don't have any winners, so we do false. Do the same variable for computer. And we will have the tracker. And this will be used to, this will be array of strings which we can initialize with to be size of 9, and we will fill it with nulls, or it can be empty string, but I'll do it just null. This will be used to track every move. So if human or computer moves here, it will be starting index 0, will fill this, tracker at index 0 with appropriate symbol. X will be for human, 0 or O will be for computer. And we're starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So and then I'll go back to map component and add here div element, which will say your turn, and it will be displayed in the case if it's human, if human's supposed to make a move. So we'll use this human turn boolean here, and let's make some class for that to make it big. We'll add style for that later. Also, let's wrap this grid list into the div that we can style it better. And we'll also add 2 more div elements. One is for if human 1 will show this element. So G if and another will be displayed if computer 1. Say computer 1, for example. Also will use the same class here to make it bigger. So let's save that. And let's do some styling. It's easier to see. So we just make title bigger. So not bigger, it's good enough, like just put it in the center. And then for div we move into the center. And make the elements with big class bigger. So we'll increase font size. Maybe try 30 pixels. And let's add some color. This will be good. And make it in the center also. see if I made a typo. Can close modules, we won't need it anymore. So okay, and we'll need make boxes smaller. That I'll just use this div and add some class for it. And change size of this div. Don't know. Let's try 100. Check. Yeah, that's good enough. So I think we're done with style here. Can close it. So now we want when user clicks on the square, we want do some logic or add X or check if it's winning, and so we will add click event for each square. So we'll call method let's call set move. It's probably not the best name, but let's just leave it. And we will need pass index of the tile. So we will add here index to know exactly what was clicked. So now we'll add this method here. Set move. It accepts index number, returns nothing. So now we'll be checking our tracker if this tracker at this position not taken, we can set up and actually we'll need also check that nobody won yet, otherwise we don't want to put anything in this position. So and this actually not this, is human winner. and also if computer is not winner yet. So in this case we will set the tracker, put X, and as well we need to update the visual representation. So we also will update tiles at index X, and in particular text we replace with X. So after that, just making it simpler here, we will be checking all the time with every move if we have the winner, but you basically don't need to do it until you have 3 moves, but we will be doing here this. So we will be checking, we will assign to is human winner the result of this check. We'll check have to create this function. So check if winner. So no arguments here, and we'll return boolean. Return false. In general, but if we're checking condition and it's true, we will return true. So here, if you look at this board, there is basically um, 8 different winning possibilities. It's been the row match, column match, or diagonal match. So I'll just add these conditions, like 8 different conditions into my if checking. So since we're starting with index 0, we'll be checking if index 0 equal the text at index 0 equal at index 1 equal at index 2, and if they are not empty, and we will do it for every row, every column, and a diagonal. So to check if this tracker at position 0 equals this tracker at position 1, and this tracker at 0 equals at position 2, and also we'll add check for, we will be just checking that position 0 is not equal, no, and it's enough just to check the first square because we comparing it also. to first and the second. So this is basically check for the first row, and I just copy it. And duplicate it. So it will be 3 rows. Three columns and 2 for diagonal, and need to add here or. You just change indices. Actually, here will be zeros. Correct. So hope I got it right. So now we can check for winner after human move, and after that we'll set in human turn to false, because now it's computer turn, and checking if if human didn't win yet, it's turn for computer to make a move. We will create new method for that, and after that we will check if computer won. The same method we'll be using to check. So we need to create a method for find move, which will be just randomly put in 0 or all into valuable cell. Won't return anything. This method, it will be void, and so let's create variable here to determine if it was moved, and while the move wasn't made, we will be trying to find the move. We'll just find the random integer between 0 and 8, between 0 and 9, excluding 9. So, and then section function, and check for if this tracker it's possible move index is not taken, then computer can make this move. So we'll computer will make a move here, and we need to also put into tiles this index text. And after that we'll need to set up back to human turn, back to true, and also we'll mark as moved to true to exit while loop. And let's see, it works. Your turn, so human moves, so it's human moved, computer might move, and it's again your turn. What is my turn? I mean human turn. So let's go here, and it's happening very fast, so we'll never see this your turn disappears. But so now you're winner, and let's reset. Let's let computer win. Computer won. And as we said here, this check that we won't be put, we'll check in if no winner yet before we assign an X to any. So we can't, after somebody won, we can't click cells anymore. So I think we missed somewhere, because probably your turn need to disappear, but it's not a big deal, I think. So it's human turn. Probably can set it here, just check. Computer won, then then set it to false. So let's try one more time. Actually, difficult to make a computer to win. Okay, computer won and this disappeared. So this is simple game. Thanks for watching.